Hello everyone, I am here live. Okay, just like every day. Hi Amrinder, hello Rohit, hello Nis, Shekhar, Dinesh, hello. Yes, since nowadays I've been coming live here to talk with you something and answer any of your questions if you have. So, how are you doing? How was your day? Today, I guess it was Monday. Yes or no? Monday, the scary Monday. No, after 2 days of holiday. I remember when I was working in my organization, so I didn't have Saturday holiday. I had only Sunday holiday. And that time, my package was also not up to the mark. And, just for switching to the job, I wanted to learn automation testing, but somehow the timing was not matched by the institutes who were giving me the trainings. Somehow I got a personal trainer. I got to learn Selenium automation, and based on that, I started searching for jobs. But my preparation was not up to the mark. What I started doing is I started implementing the Selenium in my organization. I was working in T-Craft Technologies, and there I was the first tester who was recruited. And then later on, we had a team, and I was handling that. So whatever I learned, I just distributed in my team and asked to do automation to them. And side by side, I was also searching for the jobs. Okay, I tried almost every organization, right from Infosys. You pick up any name of the organization. There is no single organization left. I didn't give an interview there. I gave interview everywhere, but everywhere failed. Later on, I thought that because of my lack of preparation, I'm not able to select in any of the big companies. So, what to do? Just like you, I didn't have Saturday, Sunday holiday. Only Sunday holiday I had. So, what I thought, let's do one thing. Let's start teaching. Let's start teaching people the automation. And it was a time where I didn't know Selenium that much. Means I'm talking about 2016. And but because I was working in my organization and I was almost doing everything, like testing work, management work, admin work. When you join any big company, you become a part of a big machine. But when you join a small company, you do lot of things. And I started doing everything. I got the responsibility. I never said no to anything. And I started doing the things. And it so happened that I got a team, and whatever I learned, I just transferred it, or I just taught it to my team, and they started implementing the automation in my organization. Because it was small, so it's additional income source was conducting internship for MCA student, and I was the in charge of it. There I learned how to do ad posting. There I learned how to connect Amazon SES AWS with AWS simple email service with SMTP. So I connected that, and using which we used to send bulk emails. Bulk emails means 10,000 emails, and we used to call the people. And I followed the same system when I started classes. I knew how to. That time I knew how to design a website. I created a website. Then I I had a data of many students, so I sent the emails. Inquiries started coming. I, some people called me, some people visited my office, but my office was it was not my office actually. It was my home, and a big hall was there. And when people used to come, they used to see that one bed was there, then two chairs, and it was not at all looking like a classroom. And but later on, what I did is I brought a projector and a screen, all that, calculated totally. It was 10,000 rupees investment, and there was a small laptop and one blackboard I purchased. So that was looking like a classroom. And then when people used to come, they used to feel like, yes, this is a classroom, and yes, somebody can teach us. And this is how I started. Slowly I left my job, and then I totally devoted myself into the training, because in my engineering, till my first job or second job, whatever the struggle I suffered, I thought many people are also, are going through the same, maybe educational difficulties in understanding the new things, new technicalities. And then again, for searching a job, there was a different level of struggles. So I thought, let's share that with them. But my primary focus was to, gather the people and teach them Selenium. Just because they are coming to the class, I will have to prepare. I will have to be prepared. So that way I started preparing myself, and people started coming. And then, in a pandemic, everything went online, and then, the thing spread that way. Yes, I will keep on speaking in between. If you have any questions, you can just put them. Yes, Crasher, you had a doubt. You can just put that in the chat. In between, if I have missed any questions, so you can just put it again. Okay. So, like Amrendra asked, how many months requires to learn automation testing? 2 to 3 months. It depends. Means how much time you have. If you are working, then 3 to 4 months are enough. Okay. And but if you just want to get a little essence of what automation testing is, if you are already into manual testing, then you can join any of my workshops. So my workshops are small workshops, like 5 days, 6 days, wherein I almost take a lot of things, so that you get familiar with automation. You also reduce or remove your coding fear. Okay, if you want to check, you can just check my bio. There is a website, my website, and go to my website and just check what upcoming workshops are there, and you can just go for those workshops. My workshops are not so costly, like $299, $199, like workshops are there. I guess upcoming workshops are automation testing workshop with AI. Means one day is for AI, and first 2 days are for Java, then 3 days are on Selenium, and 1 day for AI. So like that, the things are there. Okay. So fine, I'll take your questions. So Crasher is saying, I'm completed MCA and full stack developer, still can't get a job due to my lackness. If I want to switch my role, means what you consider to change the platform. Okay. See here, understanding your own SWOT analysis is important. SWOT, you know what? SWOT, SWOT. Strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. Just put it on paper. Just take a notebook and pen and just list down what are your strengths. Strengths means your communication skills, your technical skills. What else you can do? Are you a team player, or what strengths you have? You just note it down. Second, you note down your weaknesses. Okay, what weaknesses you have? Do you have any communication fear, or do you have any technical lack of technical knowledge things? So you just list it down and then just see what opportunities against your strengths you have. Like if you have already done full stack development, means you might have done a lot of things in coding, and of course you are interested in coding, that's why you might have done this. And as you're saying that you are MCMS, you have a technical background. So just switching from one place to another place is completely your choice. But see, there is a nice story by Michael Phelps. When he won one day, the reporter said that you continuously win so many matches, it must be your lucky day. So he said that what luck did to me in in my past life. I have done 10,000 hours of practice. So it means almost a year without taking Sunday holiday, and every day 8 hours. So if you just go into the water for 8 hours, you will not be able to survive. So the point here is, if you want to get success in anything, so you must polish your skills, right? If your skill set is not polished, and if you are complaining that I don't have opportunities, it's never happened like that. So polish your skills, and just do practice. And just like why Sachin Tendulkar have become Sachin Tendulkar, why Lata Mangeshkar have Lata Mangeshkar, because they crafted their skills, right? Just dedicate yourself in whatever the knowledge you have, whatever the technology you have, and then see, the whole universe will start working for you to make you success. Okay, remember this. And yes, of course, if you want to change the platform, it's up to you. But if you have already invested some money and time in learning something, so why don't you just do that in detail? Okay, Arman is saying, I am 8 years experience. I worked on automation for initial 2 years, but then was working only on manual. I want to know the details of new technologies and also want to learn frameworks building. Okay, Arman, I recommend you to attend my upcoming workshop. I think it's there on next Monday, 7th of July. Right, on 7th of July, the next workshop is there. You go to my website, it's there in my bio, amolujagare.in, and just check the upcoming workshop. So that 6 days AI powered automation testing workshop will surely help you, because what you learned back in the 2 years is almost not completely, but a few parts from the Selenium are obsolete. A few new things have come. So what latest trends are there, you will understand. So let me again tell you that when I conduct the 6 days workshop, in that the 2 days I spent on Java, making remove your coding fear, and then 3 days I spent on Selenium. First day is Selenium HTML elements and all that. Second day assertion and screenshots. Third day page object model, and day 6 will be on the use of AI in Selenium. So that is the AI powered automation testing challenge, a 6-day challenge. The timing is 9 o'clock in the evening. Okay, just check the website in my bio, amolujagare.in, and there check the section upcoming workshop and enroll there. This will surely help you, my promise. Okay, and if you ask me about the technologies, you can start from Selenium, then you start from Selenium, then learn API testing, Playwright and Cypress. Cypress actually came before the Playwright. Playwright, I believe, the most strongest thing uh, in automation you can ever have. Okay, Playwright batches also I'm going to start. If you want to know about Playwright, on my website a small workshop is also there, recorded workshop. You can just take that. 1 month access you will get, I guess, for $349. You just go through that, you will understand. Okay, which tool is better, Selenium or Playwright? Anyhow, Selenium is Playwright is itself has more advantages, but we can't just Selenium has its own user base. Playwright is new, but yes, definitely Playwright. And let me tell you why Playwright is better. Few things are very nice in Playwright, like it has auto weight compatibility. Means like in Selenium you use a different weight, implicit weight, explicit weights, and then fluent weight is there. You don't have to use any kind of weight, so it has auto weight capability. Then second thing is that it can take automatic screenshots. Okay, very nicely automatic screenshots are there, automatic reports are there, and it also maintains the state. Like when you do login, a session is created. So in Selenium, that session you will have to create every time, but what in Playwright, what you can do is you can save a state of a session and just transfer that state to the next test. So that is another advantage. Apart from that, there are so many. I'm also planning to take a mastermind, a 3 hours mastermind on Playwright, but not now, maybe in the next month. But prior to that, if you want to learn about the Playwright, so let me just check on my website amol.ujagare.in. If you just go to this website, you will see my past recorded workshop. You can buy it. Okay, so just 1 second, it is loading, I'll tell you. Okay, upcoming workshop is there, and API. Acha, Playwright workshop is for $399. Okay, valid for 4 weeks. Okay, fine, you can just see that. Right. Okay, so Naren is saying, in the current AI trend, is Selenium with Java useful for to test AI based application? AI based applications means what? Okay, are you want to test ChatGPT with using Selenium? Actually, I had one requirement, but back in the days, one of the students asked me for that, and yes, using Selenium with Java, you can test. And what AI is, see, don't just think that AI is going to do all automation, right? AI will help you to implement the automation. Okay, AI completely is not going to do the automation, right? So it is just like you need to know manual testing concept. Manual testing concept has to be there. Your ability to build the scenario, to design a scenario is very important. Then next, any automation testing tool. So let's say Selenium, Java with Selenium, I prefer, because the probability of you getting the jobs with the combination Java with Selenium is more than Java with Python. Java with Python is easy, but if you just don't believe me, you just write this in the chat GPT right now and just get the answer. Try to get the answer. What combination has more opportunity, Java with Selenium or Java with Python? You'll see that Java with Python has more opportunities, more job postings. So that's why I always prefer Java with Selenium. And when you know automation testing with Java, let's say Selenium with Java, then AI will help you like your friend. Okay, so in my workshop I teach how, with the help of Test Case Studio, you can design the test cases and you can grab the XPaths and CSS selector, and you can use that input to generate your framework. Means within a few seconds your page object model will be generated. But for that purpose, you need to know what page object model is. For that purpose, you need to know what data driven framework is, how Selenium operates on various different web elements. So without knowing that, if you just want to learn AI, no use. Okay, learn the automation basic concepts first, because it is just like you don't know the basics of manual testing and you start learning directly automation testing, it's of no use. It is just like, do you agree that see, if a lady or anyone who know how to wash clothes manually, don't you think he or she will have the understanding of washing machine in a better way than the person who never have done the job with his own hands, right? Okay, I think about Playwright, I told you few benefits are there, and Playwright with JavaScript is most popular. So you need to learn Java. If you know Java or any other programming language, you'll be able to learn JavaScript very easily. And Playwright can do just like everything in Selenium. Is you can open the browser, you can interact with the web elements, everything. It has page object model, Cucumber, Jenkins, reports, Allure reports. So these things are there in Playwright. Okay. Crasher is saying 2004 pass out. अभी तो pass out हुआ हो तुम. Still I have opportunities to get. See, it doesn't matter when did you pass out. If you have desired to get a job, you will get a job. But just wishing for something is not enough. You know, you have to prepare a goal and work on it. I'll tell you a story. When suppose if you want to go from one city to another city, if you want to travel let's say to your hometown, so first thing is that you should have a reason why to go there. Let's say to meet your friends, to meet your parents, or to do some particular work. That is a reason. Reason is clear. Why? First your why should be clear. If why is clear, then you plan, means how to go there, either with bus, by train, by plane, or using your own vehicle, how much expense you are going to get, where you are going to take stops, and at what time you will start your journey, and by when you will reach there. So a goal and dreams are different. Okay, dream is something I wish for. I wish I could get a job. I wish I could buy a car. I wish I would buy a house. That is dream. But goal is, it has a proper start time, end time is also decided, right? Starting point and end point are decided. There is a solid reason to go there, to achieve that, and a finite time. Timeline is very important. Without the timeline, your goal is in vain, worthless. A decided timeline, and put the efforts, because when you will start your journey, you will put some efforts to go and get into the bus, and then bus will go, or maybe you will take stops. You will have to take efforts, each and every steps, right? When you start taking efforts, universe also helps you. But if you just merely wish that I would get a job, then you know, God helps those who helps themselves, right? You might have heard this many times. Give me thumbs up if you have got the kick. Okay, how long can I search for this role? How long can I search for this role? How long means you see, you try to get into the people who are actually doing this role. Okay, but unfortunately I am not in development, so I can't tell you much on that, but try to network with the people who are already doing this. Just go and search in your industry, ask ChatGPT. Okay, just sitting at one place will not have take you anywhere. Okay, either you go out or search over the net, instead of doing time pass over the mobile, going to the social media reels. Okay, just to avoid that. And I really respect all of you, those who are live and attending or watching this session. Instead of you had an option to watch some other reels, but you are here and listening to me, wherein I'm talking about something about your future, maybe about your career. Okay. Armani saying, we have been told that the US market is being taken over AI. So what do you think would be the future for automation tester or a manual tester? They both will have jobs. See, AI will never take your job, but the person using AI will. You might have heard this many times, so I'll give you another definition. After all, what AI do? AI can only do what humans are doing. Humans have been doing so far. Only human can do what human have not done anything before, right? So yes, definitely AI will come, but your core concepts you need to learn, right? For example, because of technology have come, have you stopped taking a bath? Because the technologies have come, have you stopped taking a food? Right? There are few basic things are still as it is, right? So those people who are scared about the AI are like the same people who in the back got scared because the calculator invented. Means they were some what you can say, clerical, the people who used to do clerical works, so they got feared that now that calculator have come, what will happen to our job? But no, it didn't happen. Calculator helped the one. And the calculation, the core concept, is that fade away? Addition, subtraction, multiply, division, you still learn it. Why do you want to learn if the calculator is there, if the computer is there? You still learn it, right? In the school, mathematics subjects is there. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, everything is there, right? In that syllabus. Why they don't remove it? Because the calculators are there, because the computer is there. Make sense? Right? So if AI is coming, it is good. It will help you in your job. But learn the core things. Be ready with your core concept. And I always say that be prepared. Because when the opportunity will come, unprepared mindset, a confused mindset will remain in loss only. Right? Yes. How is job market for data analyst for fresher? See, the job market for fresher is always little challenging, but see, you believe on yourself. If you have studied something, if you have done some work on it, if your knowledge is good, then just keep trying. You will definitely get your job. Okay. And it doesn't matter because you are fresher, so nobody is going to entertain you. It's not like that. Just I would like to give you one example. See, when doctor completes his degree, he don't have experience, right? But he had the knowledge because he has spent 5 years in his college and also done a little internship. So because of his degree only, he gets patients. Okay, but but any person cannot just open the clinic, right? He or she must have the knowledge, right? So if you have a certain knowledge, then you can surely monetize it. You can surely get a job and opportunity. Just like I told earlier, you network with the people. You just, if not direct the people, you just search over social media, stay in touch with the LinkedIn, just search such people, and also take the help of ChatGPT, wherein you will keep getting the latest updates and information in your industry. Okay, fine. Arman, you can just enroll. Arman is saying he will attend the workshop. Just check my website and you will get it there. Okay, so yes, anything else? Nitish, hi. Yes, any questions anyone has? Chat based application where response will come from chat GPT. Okay, so I think it was uh, the question by Naren. Chat based application and application where responses will come from chat GPT. Can Selenium test it? Okay, I'll give you a rough solution. See, when you hit a query, chat GPT responds and you get some answers. And you know, every time when you hit some query, you get some predicted response. Okay, so that response string to string cannot be compared, but using natural language processing algorithms, you can find the pattern in the regular expression of what the response is getting. So that thing can be tested using Selenium. Okay, Prerna is saying, hello sir, what course should we pursue in AI so survive in future? We already know Java, Selenium and Python API. Just look over the web. I think there are some programs by Vaibhav Sisindi is there. Means I see so many ads by Vaibhav Sisindi. One more AI workshop I attended. It was by Aditya Kachwe. I think B10X. It's something like that. Means I'm just telling you whom I attended. I attended Vaibhav Sisindi. I also attended Aditya Kachwe. Just search this name on YouTube and you can just attend their workshops. I have personally not started any AI based programs. Maybe in future I might, but right now my focus is on software testing. So I'm just introducing AI in my all of the courses, all of the workshops. Means how can you because you don't need to learn in detail what AI is, right? So you just need to know the basic tools like ChatGPT, Copilot. Copilot is most important, and then some other tools like Gamma.app is there. And you see, whenever you get some work, you just Google it. Means I want to do so and so, and what AI tool will help me in that. Okay. Give me some time, maybe in upcoming lives I will give you some AI tools which will help you to refine your profile. And okay, there are few tools I'm just evaluating. These are a few tools are first more, they will remain for a longer time. Then some other tools are coming. Means every day, tons of tools are get discovered. And how many tools you will learn after all. So just be familiar with ChatGPT and Copilot initially, and they will suggest you. They can suggest you what particular tool you should learn if you want to do so and so work. Okay, ChatGPT now can do translations also very nice. Means my third book, The Investment in Failure, it was in English. I translated it in Marathi, and complete translation I did using ChatGPT. Okay, so that book is there on Amazon. If you want, you can buy it. Okay. Yes, I will regularly come live, Renna. You keep watching my videos. If possible, just for maybe 10 to 20 minutes. I will try to come every day live just to give your answers. Okay. And just in case if you want to refresh your automation testing concepts, you can attend my workshop. Or if you are new to automation, if you are doing manual testing and if you want to switch to automation but directly upfront you don't want to invest much amount, then you can definitely do my short program, a 6 days AI powered automation testing workshop. And it's there in my bio. My book name is The Investment in Failure. It's in Marathi, अपयशामधली गुंतवणूक. Okay, just go to Amazon and search my name, Amol Ujagare. Okay, you will see all my books on Amazon. And The book Investment in Failure is my story. If you are interested in Marathi, you can get Marathi book also, right? Some mistakes are there and I just let it go, but it has nicely, the chat GPT have nicely actually translated it. Okay, yes, thank you, Brenna. Yes, anything else I can do for you? Any question, anything you want to ask? Okay, खाना हो गया क्या सबका? Yes, any questions? Okay, so whatever the lives I'm taking, the lives will also get stored into Instagram. You can just later on revisit the video. Okay. Okay. Actually, this time I'm generally in my class, but recently our batch is completed, and in the next week workshop is going to start, so this time is free. Hi sir, Harini is saying, can I join Selenium course with you, or can you share full details? Acha, one batch of Selenium is going to start from 2nd July. Means today is 30. Tomorrow 1st July. 2nd July a new batch is going to start. Means it's a 3 months program. I call it as a massive growth automation testing program, and I have recently added a video on it. Okay, 2 videos I have added. So Harini, what you can do is you just go to my Instagram page and just check my recent video. Just before this live, there is 2 videos. One AI generated video is there. One lady is talking into it, and I have also given a small bit information about Selenium course. And in the description of that video, you will find the link, or you can just note it down: amolujagare.net/Selenium. Okay, so let me just put that in the chat. Just 1 second. My upcoming batch is going to start from in 2 days. http://amolujagare.net/Selenium. Okay, all the details are given there. Fine. So all the details are given there in case if you want. And the contact numbers are also given there. So just my number is there, Vaishali's number is also there. So you just connect to her and she will guide you. Or you can contact me also, because recently she has joined a job in Sinhagad College. Okay, she is a lecturer in IT department. Okay. Yes, anything else you want to ask? Hello Soumya. How are you? Okay. Fine. So yes, what are the timings? Timings are in the evening, 8 to 10. Sorry, no, 8 to 9. Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, 4 days a week. Okay. How would be the future of Selenium? Future is good. Means at least for 3 years. If you are equipped with Selenium, API testing, Playwright and Cypress, at least for 3 years, you will have no threat to your job. Okay. अरे सिक्योरिटी टेस्टिंग में काम नहीं किया मैंने, लेकिन फिर भी इन सेलेनियम यू कैन डू a little bit of security. Asha, if I ask you what is the difference between authorization and authentication? Yes. In security testing, see, authorization is something wherein you are allowed to enter, and authentication is like, authentication is something where you are allowed to enter, and authorization is the area where you are accessible. Okay, Harini is asking, what are all that you teach will sir in 3 months? See, Harini, on that page there is a button, course content. The detailed course content is also given there. Just check that. Okay, Java, Selenium, Cucumber is there. Okay, so it is going to start in 2 days. The contact numbers are also given on that page. Okay, so just check that, and if you have anything to ask about it, so you can just connect to Vaishali or me. What about job opportunities are good. Okay, people have, if you have manual testing experience, and if you just put that experience into your the automation testing experience, of course, by doing work on some dummy projects, some real-time projects, when you will work on it, when you'll practice on it, then you can easily add this experience to your profile, and definitely job opportunities are good. Okay, job opportunities are good, always good. And see, where your focus should be, if I have got, at least if there is only one opportunity, still my preparation will be as such, I would hit that. Okay, you should have that level of commitment, that level of preparation. Okay, and if you are attending my sessions, then I will boost you for that, because every Monday we take a subconscious process and meditation in my live 3 months program. My past student, they know this, so I not only teach you technology, I will also guide you with your mindset, subconscious mind. Okay, because I have done so many psychology based trainings as well, and I'm implementing them as well. Okay, from my side, honestly speaking, no, I don't have any tie-up with any company, I honestly speak, because when I was working in my organization, I used to get so many calls from different institutes that we have students and we want to send them. So we want to send them then, but the thing is that, like, see, whenever anyone says that we have tie-ups with so and so companies, they actually do one thing: they search the job posting, they connect to that company, and they request to send the people. Okay, that is how many people do. And this job you can also do, right? So you can just search the job postings on Naukri and LinkedIn. These are the two relevant and best websites, I believe. So you can just stay there, connect there, and you can get the job postings. You can apply the jobs, right? But if your profile is properly built, then you will definitely get the job postings and the calls. Okay. Yes, anything else I can do for you? Okay, hi Anuja, hi Padma. Padmaja. So Cypress is not supported Safari browser, so don't use Safari then. Use Playwright. Playwright supports. Okay, I guess Cypress. When you run the Cypress test, its own browser is there. Own kind of browser is there. Okay. Can I get job with 6 months of experience? See, you can get job with as a fresher also. That's not a problem. It's just that if you want to start, don't look at the salary. Okay. Don't look at the salary. Yes. Okay, yes. Anything else I can help you with? Any questions? Okay, so if you don't have any more questions, मेरा भी हो गया बोल के बहुत कुछ. So अभी क्या करते हैं कि कल वापस मिलते हैं, ठीक है? So tomorrow also I will come live around 10 o'clock or something. Cypress related job postings are not there. Playwright is good. Playwright is good, right? Playwright support WebKit. WebKit is like Safari. WebKit means Safari, Chrome, and Firefox. Okay. Fine. Yes. So I'm closing it for now, and we'll meet again tomorrow. Good night. Okay. Just stay connected and keep watching the videos. Keep watching the things. I especially prepare it for you. Thank you very much and good night.